Hey guys, today I just want to give you a quick review of a bot, a trading bot I'm using for cryptocurrencies. It's called Bitsgap, as you can see here on the screen. So let me first show you the pricing that they offer, so you know, straight from the bat. So they have a free trial, first of all. So this is what I recommend doing. Just try them for free and see how it works for you. This is what I did, and now I'm just paying for the basic membership because I'm still trying it out. But so far, I've had good results. I mean, you can test them out first with a free trial, see how it works. So $29 per month minimum, up to $149 per month. And now I'm going to log in and show you how it works. So here's my bot that I started with a cryptocurrency called Kishu. Because as I said, I've been trying this bot out for less than a month. And I didn't know how it was going to work out. So I'm using a currency that's very inexpensive because I'm still trying them out. But so far, I've had good results, making profits. So yeah, I'll show you how it works. So first of all, when you log in, you go to the bots, and here you have like all the performances for different cryptocurrencies, as you can see here. So this one really performed 89%. And you have different ones here too. Kishu is right here, actually 12%. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not great like those ones, but it's not bad. I really believe in that cryptocurrency, so it's okay. I'm not taking a big risk. It's fine. All right, so for my currency, my cryptocurrency, I'm holding Kishu. So once you get to Bitsgap, once you're connected, you're gonna have to connect it to your exchange. So I'm using OKEx here. You can link it to your Binance account. You can link it to KuCoin. So you have different exchanges that you can link it to. Do not worry, Bitsgap doesn't have access to your funds in your exchange. It's just gonna trade whatever you want it to trade, actually, whatever amount you want to trade. So do not worry, it's not gonna go and take more of your cryptocurrency. Don't worry about that. So for that Kishu USDT trade that I have on, I started, let's see here, I started with $80, and I now have $99. So as you can see, the bot made some profit. So here are the trades that the bot opened and closed for me. So the bot is going to trade for you 24/7. You can see here all the profits per day, an hour actually. So it's really good. Order statuses. So these are the open trades. So that's what it is. I've had it trading for me for 7 days and 2 hours for this one. So it's pretty good. It made $14 profit. So I now have $99, which is great. So once you start a bot, you have to go here, start a new bot, and then they're gonna ask you what is your investment. So you just put whatever you want, and it's gonna create a grid, which is here, and it's gonna place trades for you. And that's it. As long as it stays in the grid, it will trade. Sometimes it's out of range. So let's say the price goes up, way up, and it's out of range. With the bot that I have, because if you start a new bot, you have the choice between different bots. I chose the classic one. You can choose the S bot. The S bot is going to trail the price. So if the no, sorry, yeah, the S bot is gonna, let's try it out. I tried it once. The S bots, yeah, here's the S bot. So the S bot is good for the sideways market. So let's say it stays between, it's in a range. That's the bot you want to use to make profit. I'm using the other bot right now. I'm using the classic bot. So you can always stop the bot. So if you want to stop it, you go here. You can stop the bot and restart it if you want to. That's what I do, like sometimes to add the profit. I just stop the bot and restart it with the new balance that I have. And that's it. It's going to just trade for you 24/7 while you sleep. I didn't invest a lot of money. As you can see, I just invested $80. Of course, the price is going to go up, and like you will have a higher balance, but the profit that your bot is going to make is going to be added. If you stop the bot, you add the profit, restart the bot. So that's a good thing. You can make some more money on the side. And I mean, I didn't put more money in it, but some people are making thousands of dollars with a bigger investment. So it's up to you. You can try it out you can try it out if you want, uh, with I think it's 14 days for the trial that you can test. You can test it out with a small amount, see how it works with the cryptocurrency you want to trade. And if it does work out, then put some real money and see how it works for you. But so far, I've had no issues. Um, Again, I'm trading a currency that I believe in, a cryptocurrency that I believe in. So that's what I would recommend you to do. Just trade a cryptocurrency that you believe in, and you should be fine. So if you want to try it out, click the link below. I added the link below the video. If you have any questions, let me know. And I will try to post another video in a month to see how the bots performed for this trade. So there you go. Have a great day.